Look at the water, guys. The pressure on it. All right, just got our new waterfall. We're gonna set this up. It's very simple. Just follow the steps and make sure you have the right threads in order to set this up. So this is the one I need, the main one, and I'm gonna show you guys how simple it is. So let's put it together and then I'll talk a little bit more about it. All right, we got it all set up. This is the valve to control the pressure, right? And you can switch it from on and off from the actual valve in case it's too much pressure, not enough pressure, you could turn it on more. So this is pretty much the setup. It's very simple to just follow the instructions. They give you an adapter in case you have the smaller connection. All right, so we're gonna set this up. And one important thing I forgot to mention, that this thing moves everywhere. You can adjust it anywhere. It rotates. It has like a if you guys see a bolt head in there, so you're able to rotate it. So I'm gonna set this up right now. So there's a waterfall. We just turned off the pressure a little bit because it was too high. But like I said, you can always turn it on a little bit more. And in the bottom valve, you can see, it pushes the water down, so you don't have to worry about too much pressure coming out, and it just overflows. It's perfect. And right now what it's doing is actually giving some heat to the actual pool, because of the water hose. I have long hose that actually get hot and cool, and it heats up the water just a little bit. So if you're ever looking for a little waterfall like this and enjoy with the family or yourself, turn on the pressure. If you guys can see, look at the pressure. Look at that. If you want it pressurized or lower it down, it's your call. You can control it from here. Look at that. Strong. So we'll control it down just with the valve. Look at that. I like this. Where? Yeah. So this is adjustable however you want, like that. All right, here goes. How's that? Look at that.
Where are you? Underneath it. I'm good. Let's spin through it. We have the waterfall. I did. It's too low.
Oh, turn it up higher. You can move it up. Let me move it up. So you could adjust this like this higher.